Problem 23. A car moving westward along a straight level road increases its velocity uniformly from 16 meters per second to 32 meters per second in 10 seconds. What is the car's acceleration? This is the key question. What is the acceleration? Now, we focus on the words from 16 meters per second, and we interpret that as the initial velocity, VI, equals 16 meters per second. It also says to 32 meters per second, so that should be the final velocity, or VF, is 32 meters per second. The 10 seconds gives you the time. Our next step is to choose the right equation to solve for the acceleration. In order to choose the right equation, we need to have only one unknown, and we also need to have three knowns. So let's look at the first equation. We know the VF, we know the VI, we have A as an unknown, and time is known. So there are three knowns, VF, VI, time, and one unknown, A. If we have three unknowns and one unknown, that equation works. So we choose VF equals VI plus A delta T. And the next step is to substitute numbers. So VF is 32 equals VI 16 plus A, which is unknown, times the time 10. We're going to isolate the A, so we're going to subtract 16, subtract 16. That gives you 16 equals 10A. We're going to try to isolate A, so we're going to divide by 10 and divide by 10. And that gives us A equals 1.6 meters per second squared. Part B says, what is the average velocity? The average velocity is very simple. We add the 16 and 32 and divide by 2. We're basically finding the average of two numbers. And that will give us 24 meters per second.